So I want us to solve these examples. I'm going to answer question number 1, then you can answer question B and C, and I think from there we have learned some things that I'm going to assume. Now the first question says soda is an alloy of tin and lead whose melting point is 224 degrees Celsius. The question is, what is its melting point in degrees Fahrenheit? So what we're trying to do here is that if the melting point here in Zambia, for example, is laid as 224 degrees Celsius. Now, what will be the temperature in Fahrenheit, all right, if that was assuming that it was in USA, because in USA, that's where they use, Fahrenheit. So I think I talked about the equation that is associated with the first equation. So the first equation, what I'm supposed to do there, we are finding the temperature in Fahrenheit. So it's a temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to what? What was the equation? It was the temperature in degrees Celsius, then multiply by 9 degrees of this. That's a standard, these are constant values. Then this, then everything you come and add 32 and of this. I know these things are easy to run because you know the formulas. The key is that they won't give you the formulas, right? But you have to remember the formulas. So what's the temperature in degrees Celsius there? It's 2, 2, and 4. Then multiply by 9 over 5. Then after this, plus 3, plus 32. So the temperature in Fahrenheit, assuming that it is in USA, if you do everything, the answer is going to be 435, degrees Fahrenheit. So this becomes the answer. That becomes the answer. It's easy work. So I assume that you can do question B, you can do question C. It's very easy. Then sometimes it may read you to first of all calculate from one another to another. Then you can use even all these formulas that I've talked about. So thank you for watching, guys. Our next video, our next tutorial video, will be talking about handling significant figures and scientific numbers. How do you add? How do you multiply them? And how do you subtract them? Because normally in chemistry we are dealing with a lot of that. So you need to know how do you report your answer to the correct significant figures, to the correct decimal places. That is very key in chemistry. Okay, because decimal places, significant figures are so very, very important in when you're doing the measurements or courses like chemistry and physics. So as for now, we end here. Thank you very much.